If you would like to make the display brighter or dimmer on your Bush DAB radio, it's easy to do. So we're going to hold down the menu button for a few seconds. And it comes up with this here. To move around here, we can move the next and previous button. So every time we move it around here, you can see it's moving around the place. So we're going to move to where it says System, and then you're going to hit the snooze select button here. And now keep pressing next and previous until you get round to where it says backlight, which is this one here. Select, and if we were to go to on level, so we have dim level, timeout, and on level, go to on level, do that, and then you can see right now by default it's on high. If I was to move it to low and press select, then I'm not sure if it came across in the camera, but it went a little bit darker. So if you're finding it's too bright for you, you can select it to low, or you can select it to medium. You can have a little play around with it and see what you think. So that's how to change that there, and then to come out of that, you just need to hold down the menu button again and you're back to normal again. Thanks for watching.